good though. Tom and Mass Path kicks us off here at 4 o'clock. Tom, what's going on today, pal?
Hey, good afternoon.
Hello, Tom. What do you have?
Just real quick, before I get a Met comment in, I want to just comment on the Super Bowl real quick. We love you guys, but I hope you really learned your lesson that sometimes you got to give an underdog a chance. And both you and Mike, all week, you couldn't come up with a scenario to have the Giants win, and they went out and won the game.
All right, Tom, did you call up and bet? Did you call up and tell us who was going to win before the week?
No.
If you were so confident, if you were that confident, why didn't you fly out to Vegas and lay down lots of money and take the 12 points on the Giants?
No, all I'm saying is that the team that played them in Week 17, they only lost by 3 points, and you guys, I mean, I know you guys are joking around with your 41-7, but you guys couldn't make a case for them to win the game. But, I mean, you do with the Yankees the last 2 years, too, when you said, oh, the first round, they're definitely going to beat the Indians, they're definitely going to beat the Tigers, and it didn't happen. You can't always take the favorite. That's what I'm saying.
Listen, you obviously proved correct here with this Super Bowl, but, again, you're not going to get all the predictions. And how come nobody called me when I had 34-0 Ravens, and every Giant fan in America thought I was nuts? How come I got no calls on that Tuesday? Dog, great prediction. I'm done. I got one wrong. I'm an idiot. Where were you guys at 34? I had that game 34-0. Ravens Giants, and the final was 34-7. I didn't hear a word from you. Not a word. I get this one wrong, I'm an idiot. How come? Eddie? I was so mad at time. And I cut off the call, Sal, thank you. Not you. You press those buttons and press them good. Mike's gone, I'm feisty. What did you expect? Will in New Jersey. Will, what do you got today, pal?
Chris, what's up?